Hello, my dear students. Today I want to talk to you about something very important. It is something that can change your life. Yes, I am talking about learning English. English is a special key. It can open many doors. It can help you travel, work, study, and make friends. So let's start this beautiful journey together. You might ask, why should I learn English? That is a good question. Let me tell you why. English is one of the most spoken languages in the world. There are many places where people speak English. Even in countries where English is not the main language, many people still use it. Do you want to visit another country? English can help you. Do you want to make new friends? English will help you talk to people from many places. Now let's talk about starting small. Learning English is not hard if you take one step at a time. Look around you. What do you see? A chair? A cup? A book? Say these words in English. Use them every day. For example, say, this is a book, or I drink from this cup. These are simple sentences, but they help a lot. When I started learning a new language, I did the same. I looked at my room. I said the names of things in English. I made small sentences. I spoke to myself. It felt strange at first, but it worked. After some time, I could speak more. I felt happy. You can do the same. You might feel shy. That's okay. Everyone feels shy sometimes, but don't stop. Keep going. Let me ask you another question. What do you do every day? Do you eat breakfast? Do you walk to school or work? These actions are part of your life. Learn the words for them in English. Say, I eat rice, or I walk to the bus. Use these actions to make short sentences. There are many simple questions you can ask. For example, what time is it? Where is my bag? Do you like music? Can you help me? Try using these in your day. Talk to your friends or your family. Practice every day. Little by little, you will get better. English is like a small seed. You plant it with your first word. You water it every day with new words. One day it grows into a strong tree. That tree is your English skill. It will help you in school, at work, and in life. You should not be afraid. You will make mistakes, but that is okay. Everyone makes mistakes, even teachers, even me. The important thing is to try. The more you try, the more you learn. Let's ask some fun questions. What do you want to say in English today? How many words did you learn this week? When did you last watch an English video? Where do you like to study? These questions help you think in English. That is a big step. So, my dear students, let's start small. Let's dream big. You have the power to learn. You have the time. You have the reason. I am here with you. Let's walk together. Let's speak English together. Let's grow together. Do you want to speak English better? Then speak every day. Yes, every day. Even 5 minutes a day can help you improve. Try to say short sentences when you wake up. For example, I feel good today. Or, it is a sunny day. When you walk outside, say what you see. Say, there is a tree. Or, the car is red. Talk to yourself. It might feel strange, but it helps your brain think in English. You can also ask yourself questions like, what did I eat today? Or, where do I want to go? Speak with your family or friends. You don't need long conversations. Simple ones are great. Ask, do you want tea? Or what time is it? Use English in your home. Name things in English. Say, this is a spoon, or that is the door. Another good way to practice is to listen. Listen to English songs. Choose slow songs with easy words. Sing along. Repeat what you hear. It helps your ears and your mouth. You can also listen to short podcasts or stories. There are many online. Try one every day. Watching videos helps too. Watch short English videos with subtitles. Read the words. Say them out loud. Copy how the person speaks. It helps your pronunciation. You can also pause the video and repeat the sentence. Ask yourself, what does this word mean? Read something small every day. A story, a sign, or even a menu. Choose simple English books. You might not understand every word, but don't worry. Guess the meaning. Check the words later. You can use a notebook. Write down new words. Use them in a sentence. Ask, what does this mean? And find the answer. Use apps to learn new words. Many apps are free. They show pictures and say the word. Some have games. You can play and learn at the same time. That makes learning fun. Flashcards help too. You can make your own. Write the word on one side. Draw a picture or write the meaning in your language on the other side. Look at the cards when you are free. Maybe when you wait for the bus or have lunch. Try to write a short diary. Just a few lines a day. Write, today I feel happy, or I went to the park. This helps you use new words and build sentences. Do you like to cook? Use English in the kitchen. Say, let's boil the rice. Or there is milk in the fridge. You can label things with small notes. Write table and stick it on the table. Do the same with window, mirror, chair. Every small step helps. The more you use English, the easier it becomes. It becomes a part of your day. You might not notice at first, but you will grow fast. So speak, listen, read, write, just a little every day. Ask questions. Try to answer them. Let's make English your daily friend. Let's enjoy learning. You can do this. Let's talk about something important, mistakes. Do you make mistakes in English? That's okay. I make them too. We all do. Mistakes help us learn. Don't be shy. Don't stop. Try again and again. Many students feel afraid when they speak English. They worry. What if I say the wrong word? Or what if people laugh at me? But let me tell you something. Mistakes are good. Mistakes show that you are trying. When you try, you grow. So don't be afraid. Be proud. One time my friend wanted to say, I am hungry, but he said, I am angry. We all laughed, but no one was angry. We helped him. He remembered the word because of that funny mistake. You might make a mistake like that too. It's okay. Just smile and keep going. Let's say you don't know a word. What can you do? You can ask. Say, what does this mean? Or how do I say this in English? People will help. You can use a dictionary or a phone app. You can learn from every small moment. Now let's talk about practice. When should you practice? Every day. Morning is a great time. Start your day with English. Say something like, today will be a good day. In the afternoon, try to use English when you eat, cook, or clean. In the evening, write about your day. Say, I went to the market, or I met my friend. You can also play with English. Watch funny videos, play word games. Draw a picture and name the things in it. Ask your friends, what is this? Or can you name this in English? Learning can be fun. There are so many things you can do with English. Can you sing a song? Can you tell a story? Can you read one page? Can you write one sentence? If you say yes, then you are learning, you are getting better. Ask yourself, what did I learn today? Where did I use English? How many new words did I find? These small questions help you remember and grow. There might be days when you feel tired. You might say, I don't want to study. That's normal. On those days, do something small. Listen to a song, read a short line, watch one video. One small step is still a step. Let's say this together. I can learn English. I will not give up. I will speak. I will read. I will try. I will grow. Say it again and believe it. English is your friend. It helps you talk to the world. It gives you power. You might use English for work, for travel, or just for fun. Whatever your reason, keep learning, keep going. Let's stay strong. Let's stay happy. Let's speak English every day. You can do it. I believe in you. End message. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's keep learning English in a fun and simple way. See you next time.